this way. There we go. What the heck? Was that a turtle? Right in my rut? Holy cow, little guy. You're gonna get smashed in the rut. Put you somewhere out of the way. Be careful. Dang. I hope I... Oh no, that looks natural. Okay, be safe. That's it, guys. Gummy tire happening this week. I don't care if it wears quick and I have to get a new one. I just need better hookup.
Fried the clutch or what, but it won't start now or try to even go.
Really?
Yeah, like I was right here, went to take off and it like made this weird noise and then died, and then when I go to start it, you can hear it. It doesn't even sound right when it tries to start.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hold that.
Yeah.
I got the gas turned off. So.
Blown motor.
What?
Blew it up.
Yeah, 'cause I'm so fast.
I heard that you heard the chain making some noise.
Yeah.
I was worried that we'll have to get a tow strap. Huh. Or if the rod or the piston didn't break, that cam chain could have broke.
It kind of sounds like a chain, like a couple of chain. I bet that's what it is. You turn the gas on or didn't?
I didn't turn it on. Huh? Walk it? I'd rather tow it. I just don't know if I can tow it from here or if I need to walk it out to the field, tow it from there.
I could go walk it, you could have a tow strap and come back and find me.
That'll work.
Because I can't do barely make it on that.
I'll go find some kind of tow strap.
I'll help her tow it then.
Just maybe help her at the dip or something.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we ain't even made that dip yet. Dip's where I'll be at have problems.
Yeah, you'll be able to. You'll probably be able to coast it most of the way.
Yeah.
I'll go find a tow strap or a ratchet strap, and I'll be right back.
Okay.
All right. I stopped up there because you know that very first rut coming up the hill that's against the tree. At the as soon as you get into the trails, there was a tortoise.
Aww.
In the middle of that rut. I ran over it.
Aww.
And I got off and moved it. It was okay.
Battery died, so I don't even think you're gonna get to hear how
how
that died.
Be right back. All right, guys. Kristas 230 just either blew up or broke a cam chain or something. So I've got some pull straps. She's halfway on trail 3. So I'm gonna go back and we're gonna try to pull this thing out of there. Almost hit a spiked buck. It just ran out in front of me.
Really?
Yeah. Must have been bedded down over there somewhere. Okay.
They had to help me a lot.
Where'd they go?
They went back to get their bikes.
Oh.
They got me into this hill right here. Of course, that one tree that I fell over on got me again after I started down.
Of course. Okay, so I think we can do something like that. And then hook this to my subframe. Something like that.
They're gonna hit your tires.
I don't know, that's what I'm wondering. Hook that to this subframe. It almost looks like it might.
If you get straightened, maybe.
Crap.
It's gonna hit that tire either way.
Yep.
Unless there's a way to hook it to you around your body or something. I'll just push it. It's okay.
You're not pushing it all the way home.
It's too bad.
You ever done this before?
Strap on a dirt bike?
Yeah.
I've always pulled a dirt bike with a four-wheeler, but never a dirt bike with a dirt bike.
I've done it before and I can't remember how.
Maybe hook it to the subframe?
Tried that, but then the strap gets caught in the tire. That's what I was thinking.
It's not gonna be fun either way.
No.
Let's see if I can even stay up with you pulling me.
Oh, we'll have to go slow. Holy shit, where am I supposed to sit?
Unhook that one from your handlebar, get on there, and then hook it back to your handlebar after you get on. Like a seatbelt.
Oh. Okay.
It'll be interesting.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, I felt like bringing stuff out here.
I'm gonna hit me back. What happened.
Is it that close?
Pretty close. It's got about 6 inches right now.
All right, we're gonna go slow and see how it goes, all right?
It'll take us both.
You're gonna have to drag your brakes a little bit. The old 250. Didn't know her. She was a tow machine, did you guys? Got it?